Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a phenomenal day. Taking a quick look here at Polkadot, seeing what's going on. This will be just a pretty brief one here because mainly we want to touch on this cup and handle lack of breakout. Normally it's supposed to come up and continue higher. However, it broke down and continued lower. What that basically just tells us is that we swept the upper level of liquidity and the price pulled back and is potential to retest again. But we want to kind of look at a few key factors here because we are seeing an ABC pattern from Elliott Wave. So this implies that if this is the highest point that we're going to go, price could continue for one more lower low. Okay, so we'll take a quick look at the backend data here, see what's going on with Polkadot. And if you're new to the channel, not a financial advisor, you know the drill. I love teaching people to trade though, so I hope you can learn something today. Oh, quick congrats to our committee members here for our premium group. ICP, 96%, all targets achieved in 1.5 days. That's a phenomenal swing trade for only 5x leverage. Same thing with Avalanche. This is a 6x leverage trade at 40%, roughly at 1.5 trading days there too, along with some OGN previous trade as well. So awesome stuff. Glad that's working well for you. Thank you so much for the positive feedback. My community is very supportive, and if you want to be part of that, jump on over there. Discord, Telegram, Twitter, it's all free and available for you. If you want to join into our premium group, just know it comes with a trading university where I teach you everything I know about trading and kind of impart that knowledge onto you. All right, so take a look here at Polkadot, 7.8 to 8 cents. Sorry, correction, dollars, $7.8 to $8. We are seeing here a heavier concentration of shorts. We got some longs as well, accumulated about 6.8 as low as 6.6. Okay, so we're kind of right in the middle of that zone there. There is a little bit more shorts than longs in this position right now, and it's understandable just based on the overall sense of the way things are going. So let's just go to the 4-hour time frame, work our way down. The daily time frame is still bullish. Let me kind of just clarify that really quick. It's not like monstrously bullish, but it's definitely doing pretty well. We're still above all trend lines here, the moving averages. We can see stochastic is swinging down, but this is pretty much par for the course, and the price goes sideways after a large period of upside. We can also see traditional RSI and money flow index are decently high, so nothing that screams bearish behavior. But you do got to recognize, again, stochastic kind of swinging down. That's somewhat of a bearish sign. Okay, again, not terrible. Just it is what it is. So again, I would say neutral to bullish on the daily. 4-hour time frame here. We lost our 20-day SMA. We've been below that for a little while. We're ascending concurrent with this trend line on the 50-day SMA, so that's a good sign there. Again, these trend lines that I draw out, as some people kind of ask, like, what the heck the deal is, they're mostly just kind of perspectives from me, so I understand generally what side of the tracks we're on. If we switch below this level here, it'll tell us that we're tentatively bearish and that the price action could continue lower. I mean, you could also argue the fact that we're making lower lows and lower highs the reason why the price is going down, but this could just be the start of a bull flag pattern, right? Where the price action goes up and continues higher. Again, that's a little premature. I don't think that's the case because, again, a little messy leading into it. Usually we don't have these ebbs and flows leading into a bull flag. It's usually a up, over, up. Anyways, just know there's a lot of little scenarios you can kind of conclude here from this, but taking a look at the MACD, we can see it's converging nicely here as well. So it's not quite there yet. Got to keep in mind it's a little premature, but letting us know it wants to swing upwards, but hasn't yet. We're kind of teetering between 50, just above and just below 50 on the RSI. I don't love this kind of situation. I don't really like to trade into situations like that. That's just me personally, but stochastic is swinging up. That's a positive contributing factor. But if we look at everything, we can see some weakness, but also some strength. Okay, and I don't think that's enough to warrant a trade. What we want to do is look for the, kind of a good entry on the hourly if we want to find that kind of opportunity. Okay, so again, let me just quickly ask before we get any further, could you hit the like button? Greatly appreciate that. Helps us grow the channel and also helps others discover this channel as well. And if you haven't already, join the best exchange in the world, my personal opinion. No KYC, no VPN, significant benefit rewards. Use my link to register. They are a phenomenal exchange, extremely fast and just reliable. It's super cool. Amazing tech support too. We actually have one of their admins over on our Discord, and it just makes for an easier experience. Oh, last but not least too, make sure you check out our Bitunix section. We do have a scenario here where there's a step-by-step guide on how to use it, and of course instructions on multiple targets as well. All right, folks, so last but not least here on the hourly, this is really important to recognize. We're still below the cloud. Okay? Conversion line is above the baseline. We got some momentum, big surprise. Lagging span is trying to peak out from the price action, hasn't fully yet, and we are still below the cloud. So I think the easy takeaway here is that we want a closure today at about 740 or higher. That would put us in a position where the price action averages itself out above the cloud for a few hours, closed above a key Fibonacci retracement level. Anything below that, honestly, still spells a potential for lower lows and lower highs, okay? So again, this is okay as long as we can follow it up with a higher low, all right? We need to have higher lows here in order to reverse this trend, okay? So generally speaking, those are the things we're looking for. All right, so I hope that makes sense for you. Again, I'll post our playout chart here on our Twitter, Telegram, and Discord so you can kind of see this here as well. It does look a little something like this where I provide you with some possible case scenarios. Okay. All right, folks. Well, I thank you very much for watching. I hope you can have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks again for your time. Take care.